from US now, unfortunately. Before we introduce him, we'll give you a little background about him. Zest Entertainment has alone collaborated many Indo-Pak collaborations, and they have done this new one called Chal Sang Mere Tu. It's a friendship song between two countries. It's a friendship song between two countries for peace.
The song genre is alternative rock, youthful and fresh music. The song has already been aired on news channels on 15th of August 2011 on News 24 Samay, Mumbai and TV9.
The song has also been performed at the Tomatina Festival, which was held recently at Tulip Star Hotel, and it also has been performed at the SRPF police grounds.
The mission is to perform shows and city concert aimed at bridging the gap between India and Pakistan through music, when all hurdles will vanish and the disputes will be replaced by amicable talks, when bilateral trade and tourism will be abound, when there will be no unnecessary restrictions, when the whole world will witness that it is possible for two neighboring countries to live in peace and harmony. They want your support for making this dream come true.
It's going to be another 1 minute before he comes up on stage. He's just getting the setup done. Till then, I'm going to ask you guys a few questions. Do any of you all know any prominent Pakistani singers who've come here and sang before? Okay, Atif Aslam, anyone else? Yes, Ashish is not a Pakistani singer, sorry. Zafar Ali, I think Ali Zafar is name. Next, anyone else? Any good? Who? Subin, Adnan Sami, yes, that's a good. Wow, you're really Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, sorry. And I mean, you guys forgot strings. Do you remember strings? Strings also used to perform. Yes, you guys. No, he's just putting his hands up there. He remembers that. So okay. So wow, so we've got a lot of singers who've come back. Basically, this was just a point, to prove that yes, we've got a lot of talent, and Imad is going to be the latest talent. So guys, please give it up. All the way from Pakistan, we have Imad Hassan from Sahir the band. Please give it up for him.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? बात को भूल जा मिलके खुशियाँ बांटे एक बार जरा तो मुस्कुरा क्यों है ये सरहदें इनका क्या काम है ज़मीन एक ही पर बदला क्यों नाम मिटा दो ये दूरियां मिटा दो ये दूरियां मिलने दो सभी को सोचना किस सोच में है तू बदलेंगे हम हालातों को बदलाना होगा हमको अपने जज्बातों को सोच में है तू बदलेंगे हम हालातों को बदलाना होगा हमको अपने जज्बातों को सोचूं मैं जो अगर वैसा ही हो तो मजा आए जीने का खुशियों के पल मिल के बांट ले ना हो डर जिनको खोने का हंस के गुजार ले हंस के गुजार ले मिलते हैं कहाँ में है तू, बदलेंगे हम हालातों को बदलाना होगा, हमको अपने जज्बातों को किस सोच में है तू, बदलेंगे हम हालातों को बदलाना होगा, हमको अपने जज्बातों को। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू। आवाज नहीं आ रही है तो मेरे साथ गाइए, समझा जरा ये चीज, फिर मोहब्बत करने चला। आप गाएंगे, आप लोग गाएंगे, मैं प्ले करूंगा। 1 2 3 4। समझा जरा मोहब्बत करने चला तो दिल वही रुक जा जरा, मोहब्बत करने चला तो कुछ भी नहीं अब दरमिया, फिर भी है दिल तेरे ही ख्वाब बनता, सोचा कि मैं तुझको भुला ये भी मुमकिन हो ना सका। ओ क्या है मामला, जानू ना मैं जानू ना, और पिया और पिया और पिया और पिया। उड़ने लगा क्यों मन बावरा रे, आया था मन बावरा रे, आया कहाँ से ये हौसला रे। मेरे साथ और पिया है और पिया, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तो मस्तानी कब आएगी तो इंतजार जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चली आ। थैंक यू।
Do friendship with us, please friendship. Wow.
And more such friendship initiatives should be taken from both India and Pakistan to bridge the gap between the two countries. What do you say?
So we've got a final duet act for the night. We've got Rohan and Danesh who are going to be singing.